Everything you see here is from the food bank. For this recipe, we're going to be using 3 different types of beans, canned tomatoes and jalapenos, and canned potatoes. I like to start my dried beans out in some water with lots of salt. I'm making a large batch, so I'm using a cup each of the beans. Let this soak for about 4 to 6 hours and then drain it. I'm adding chopped onion and then 2 of these chicken bouillon cubes. I'm also using Creole seasoning, lots of pepper, and this ginger season up packet. For every cup of beans, you want to add about a cup and a half of water, or to the max line on your Instapot. Pressure cook it for 30 minutes and then check the texture. After 30 minutes, you're going to want to add your diced potatoes and your tomatoes with jalapenos in it. Let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you're going to mash it down until you get a soupy texture. At this point, this is when you're going to want to add your salt. I did not add it earlier because the chicken bouillon cubes already have salt. And if this is oversalted, it will taste horrible. My favorite way to eat soup beans is with some thick cornbread. This recipe can also be found on my page. I love to crumble it on top of my soup beans.